Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been designing this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in this video, I'll show you how to make this design the homepage of your Blogger website. So if I go to the Blogger dashboard and if I open my website for now, this is how my Blogger website looks right now. Now we're going to change this homepage design into this design right here in this video. So let's get started. Now here in my Blogger website, I'm using this theme called Contempo Lite, which comes by default with Blogger. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a page and we're going to redirect this URL to the custom homepage that we create. So let's go over here to pages and let's create a new page and let's just call it home. And here for now, I'll just type hello and let's publish this and confirm. And here we can see that the home page has been published. So if I click on view, we have the home page displayed over here. Now let's go ahead and redirect this home URL to this page right here. So let's go over here to the settings and we need to scroll down, and here you have to go under errors and redirects and you have to go to custom redirects, and here you have to add a new redirect. So here we need to go from the home page to this page right here. So I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here and let's click on OK. And now we can see it goes from the home page to this page. So let's click on save and let's see whether it works. So let's go to the home page of our website and let's press enter. And now we can see that when we go to the home page, we are redirected to this custom home page that we just created. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to customize this page and we need to make it look like this page right here. So for that, let's go to our page. So let's go here to pages and let's click on home. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to remove all these elements that you see over here. So for example, we have this header. So we can right click over here and go to inspect and you can just check what is the element called. So here we can see it is called header, and if you click on that, here we can see for the header it is set to display block. So what we need to do is we need to set the display to none. And now we can see that the header is hidden. So in this way you need to go ahead and here you need to create a style tag. And here you need to add all those styles. So here for example, if I just type header and display none, and this should be header. We should not have a dot over here because this is basically the tag. It is not a class. So now let's update this. And let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. And now we can see that the header is hidden. So in this way, you need to hide all the elements that you see over here. So you can just right click and go to inspect and just go ahead and take a look at the division. So for this popular post, we have this div and it has this class of popular post. So you have to just target this and set a display of none. Now I have already explained all of this in other videos where you can hide all these elements using CSS. So I'll just go ahead and copy and paste my code over here. And I will also leave the link of the source code in the description, so you can just copy and paste for your website as well. Alright, so here I have copied and pasted all the CSS that we need for hiding all the elements in our page. So let's go ahead and update this. And let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. And now we can see that our page is completely blank. Now we can go ahead and add the code of this design over here. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, let's create a comment and I'll just type end of theme custom CSS, and after that we'll just add the CSS of our design. So let's go to our source code, and the first thing we will do is we'll just copy these two links. Now these are for the animation library, so let's copy this and let's paste it after the style tag, and let's go to our CSS file and let's copy all of this from here. First of all, let's copy this import and I'll just paste it at the top. And now let's go ahead and copy the other CSS. So let's start from here till the end and let's paste it over here after our custom theme CSS. Right now let's go ahead and copy and paste the HTML. So let's go back to our source code and let's go to the HTML file. Let's copy from this line of code till the end. So let's copy it till here and let's paste it over here. And we need to just remove this script src main.js from here. And we need to add the code from this main.js file over here. So I'll just delete this source from here. And let's go ahead and copy the JavaScript from this main.js file. Let's copy all of this and let's paste it inside the script tag. And here we have this extra script tag. So I'll just delete this from here and let's paste it inside the script tag. And we can just remove these script tags from here. And now we have copied all the HTML, CSS and JavaScript to our page. Now we need to copy and paste the images over here. So right now the images links are set to images/the image name. But in our Blogger website, we don't have this images folder. So we need to upload these images and videos somewhere and get the links and paste it over here. So for now, I'll just update this. And let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. And we can see all the elements are being displayed over here. We need to just add the links of the images over here. Now for uploading the images, I'm going to use a service called Cloudinary. So you can just go over here to cloudinary.com and create a free account and log into the account and go to media library. And then you can just go over here to folders. And here we can see all the folders that I already have. So let's create a new folder and let's call it photography website. And here we have the folder being created. So let's go to the folder. And here we will just add two folders, one for videos. And let's create one more folder and let's call it images. And now we need to add the images and the videos inside these folders. So let's open this folder. And let's drag and drop the images over here. Alright, so here are all the images. So let's select all of these and let's drag and drop them over here. And now we can see that the images are being uploaded. And with that, all the images have been uploaded. So let's go back over here to the photography website folder and let's go to videos and let's upload the video over here. So here we have the video. So I'll just drag and drop it over here. And here we can see our video has been uploaded as well. So let's copy the link of this video. You can just click on this button right here. Let's go back over here and let's go to this place where we have the video. The video is, I think, inside the header. So here we have the video. So I'll just delete this link and paste the new link over here. And now if you update this, and if you go back to our website and reload this page, now we can see that the video is being played over here. So in this way, let's go ahead and add all the other images over here. So first of all, we need to add the image for the logo. So the logo is, I think, right here. So we have the main container and in that we have the logo. So let's go back to Cloudinary. Let's go to the images folder and let's search for the logo. Alright, so here we have the logo. So let's click on copy link and let's paste the logo over here. And let's update this. Let's go back and reload. And now here we can see we have the logo. So in this way, I'll just go ahead and add all the images inside our code. So I'll just quickly go ahead and see you after adding all the images. Alright, so I have copied all the links from Cloudinary and pasted it in our website. So here we can see we have the links of all these images. So now if you go to our website, this is how this looks. So we can see we have this logo, we have these social media icons, we have all these images displayed over here. And we also have the images for these testimonials. Right now, the next thing we will do is we will fix some problems that we have in the design. So if I click on any of these menu items, we can see that the color changes. So that's because if you right click over here and if you go to inspect, here we can see that the theme has already set the color of the visited links. So let's copy this selector from here. And right now the color is set to this blue color. So let's go back. And here let's add some more styles. So let's paste the selector. And even if the link is visited, I'll just change the color back to black. And let's update this. And let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. Now we can see we have the correct color. Right now, the next thing we need to do is we need to set the background color for the body. So here we can see that we have this dark background color. But in our Blogger website, we don't have the dark background color. So if we right click over here and go to inspect, and if you go to the body, here we already have this background color set to this dark color. But if you go inside the body and if you take a look at this post body division, here we can see that the color of the text is set to black. So we need to set it to white, because here we can see for the website we have this white text color. And then here inside the post body we can add the background color. So for example, if I just have background red, now we can see that we have this red background color over here. So let's go ahead and set the background color to the post body. So let's tap dot post body, and let's copy the color of the text and the background color from here, and let's paste it inside here. And now let's update this, and let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. And now we can see we have the correct background color and text color for our website. Now here we can see that we don't have the correct color for the text of the button. So let's right click and go to inspect. And here we have the button, and for the button, the color is set to inherit. So it is inheriting from other elements. So let's go ahead and set a specific color to this button. So let's go to the styles of the button. So here we have the form button, and here let's set the color of the text to black. And let's update this. Let's go back to our page and let's reload. And now we can see we have the correct color. And let's also go ahead and fix this header that we have over here, because right now we can see that the header is not being displayed. So here we have this header called pixel photography, and it is not being displayed over here. So let's right click and go to inspect, and let's see what's the problem. So let's go to the header. Now here we can see for the header the display is set to none. So if you go back to our page, here we can see that we have set the display of none to the header. Now this header is the header that comes by default with the theme. So we need to hide the header that comes with the theme, but we need to display this header that we have in our custom design. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a class to the header of our design. So here let's go to our HTML and let's go to the header. So here we have the header of our design. And for this header, let's add a class called custom header, and let's go ahead and change the selectors over here in the CSS. So if we go to the header selector, here we have the header. So let's change this to header.custom header, and let's also set the display to block. And we have the header being selected in the JavaScript as well. So let's scroll down. And here for the JavaScript, let's change this to header.custom header. So it will select the correct header for us. Right now, let's go ahead and update this. And let's go back to our page and let's reload this page. And now we can see that the header is being displayed and everything is working all right. So with that, we have added our custom design to our Blogger website. Let's also take a look at the mobile version. And this is how it looks on mobile version, and this should go to the left side. So let's fix that, and let's go to the media query. So here instead of header, we need to change this to header.custom header. Right now let's update this. Let's go back and let's reload this page, and let's go to the mobile version, and now we can see everything looks all right. So with that, we have added our custom design to our Blogger website. And the next video, I'll show you how to make this contact form work. And we'll also make this search box work, where we can search for all the posts in our website. So we will do that in the next video. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.